Our studio presents.
Britney Spears had a big day out with her two boys on Tuesday. The pop singer, 36, shared a series of photos with sons Sean Preston, 13, and Jaden James, 12, to Instagram, the three posing together while standing in front of an enormous, old tree. She wore a pink patterned dress while her kids were both in sweats, Sean pairing his with a black hoodie and Jaden rocking a short-sleeved t-shirt. "Every year I come back to this tree. It's beautiful," Spears captioned the gallery, without citing her location. Spears' day out with her kids comes months after their father, her ex-husband Kevin Federline, filed for more child support.